There's a great fear that generative AI is going to replace lawyers within the legal department. That's actually not true in our experience. What we're seeing is lawyers using artificial intelligence and generative AI to actually supplement their practice, allowing them to free up time to more strategically partner with their business and provide that strategic business value, rather than focusing their time on rote or administrative tasks. If you think about the advent of generative AI and the energy that that is infusing into organizations to change how they do business, change how they interact with their customers, change how they interact within the business itself, it's really exciting to see these new applications, albeit built upon the foundation that historical legacy artificial intelligence laid already. It's really important for general counsel to understand that they've been using AI in a lot of different ways for a really long time. Often we see general counsel say, my CEO has asked me how I'm using generative AI in my business. A lot of the foundational practices that general counsel use every day rely upon AI. It may not be a large language model, it may not be generative AI, but things like the discovery process, the extraction of data from contracts, all of those leverage AI in different ways, and general counsel have actually been on the forefront of leveraging that within their business. Generative AI isn't 100% there yet, and so what we're seeing is a lot of legal departments experimenting with generative AI use cases, developing proofs of concept to really pilot and understand if this is the right application of generative AI for their legal department. What works for one legal department may not work for another, and so it's critically important that you understand the application and the use case that you're trying to apply it to within the context of your business.